You think you are watching the TV? Do your research, my friend. The TV is equally watching you. Did you know that the smart TVs that we have in our houses today, the digital ones, they actually have a small, tiny camera that can be used through programming to show everything that is happening in your house? Did you know that? Do your research. Equally, do you think that you usually use the social media? You don't. The social media uses you. How do you think it happens that you wake up in the morning and you think about something, and this thing becomes your dominant thought, only to go on TikTok and the first video you see on For You page, the first recommendation is actually what you are thinking about? How do you think it happens that when you go on TikTok and you search my type of a car, my type of a house, my type of a baby, my type of a spouse, you actually brought someone with the qualities that you think about? You actually brought a photo of a child that closely resembles your child? How do you think they know that? You call it a logarithm. But a logarithm is not just what you think. It's something that listens to even your thoughts. It is able to understand the frequency that your thoughts are vibrating on. That's what makes up what you call For Me page. That's why the moment you watch the first video on TikTok to conclusion, you watch it for 2 minutes. Why is it that you get more of such videos? Because you were not just watching the video was watching you. And it was listening to your thoughts and leading your mind to what your interests are. And that's why now the next videos are going to either be on exact content or on content closely related to that video. So my friend, next time you think you're using the social media, you want to do your research, because the social media is using you more than you are using it. And even worse, it's taking a lot of energy from you. It's feeding a lot from you. You think it's free? Think twice. It's not. There's something they are getting from you having to spend your time scrolling through TikTok, scrolling through Facebook, and those other social media platforms. What do you think it is? It's not what it is. Your eyes don't see the reality. They see an illusion.